And he's like, but he said it. My kid said, and he's like this in my face, threatening to hit me. He's like, where's your husband? This is your kid. I'll whoop your kid's ass. And I don't care. You holding your baby. I don't care.
Okay. You want to go show us where it was at?
Yes.
When a conflict that should have stayed between children is magnified by the emotional reactions of adults, the situation quickly escalates beyond the playing field. On the surface, this case is about a disagreement between kids, but the real focus lies in how adults handle conflict and authority.
Did you get hit at all?
No.
Okay.
The kids, they got into it, I guess. He's bleeding. Their kid is fine. The dad came in my face threatening to hit me. He said, I don't care if you're holding your baby. I'm trying to say, sir, I'm sorry. He's not going to play with your kid anymore.
But none of the adults got hit?
No.
Okay.
The gray t-shirt.
In the gray t-shirt right here?
Walking away.
Hey, man, come on.
What the hell? Y'all can talk to me right here. What's going on?
No, we're going to talk to you out there.
No, I'm not going nowhere.
Yes, you are. You want to go to jail?
Voluntarily, or you go by force?
Who you raising your voice at, man? You escalating the situation. Who you raising your voice at? I'm 42 years old. I'm not doing that. Don't talk to me like that. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going. I'm telling you, lower your voice. I don't give a who you is and what you got going on. Lower your mother voice. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now.
I'm giving you every opportunity to go.
No, I ain't going nowhere. You finna talk out here because you gonna take your story? No.
Let's go.
What's going on? Approaching me like that, you ain't know what I am or what's going on. You think you tough too? That's y'all problem, man. Y'all learn how to talk to people. Y'all escalating situations.
All right, man.
You ran up on me by force for what?
No, sir. You're sitting there telling you're not going to step out. All I told you to do.
Why she not stepping out? Why she not stepping out?
She just came up here and made a complaint. So all we're trying to do is pull you up here where it's peacefully quiet.
That's
so
not what happened. That's not what happened.
And you're the one who started a show, sir.
You started yelling.
Because you kept telling me you're not going to do something.
You started yelling before I even said anything.
Can we just agree that maybe he's just a little upset?
No, I'm not giving you nothing. For ask her for hers. You got hers? Do you got hers? Do you got hers? Go get her driver's license. Do you want to get her driver's license? That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Listen,
All we're trying to do is get you up here, sir. Okay, I don't even know that her story. He's the one that got that. All I want to do is get you up here, just like she came up here and talked to him. Take your breath.
Well, no, he went to
get your story. That's all you want.
The kids were playing football. 3 boys came and said, the little boy said the N-word. I said, hey, whose kid is this? I don't believe he said that. Hey, where's your husband? I don't talk to women. Yelling. That's when I start cutting the up because this is what she wants. She don't want me to come over there to act civilized. I brought 3 kids to corroborate the story, and she starts yelling. So this is where we go. You come and get me. You started yelling at me before. Yeah, no, hold on. Let's not do that. You started yelling at me before you heard any story.
Hey, man, come on.
What the hell? Y'all can talk to me right here. What's going on?
No, we're going to talk to you out there.
No, I'm not going nowhere. Then you told me, hold on. You said, did he not say you're going to leave by choice or by force? Where did you get that from? By choice or force?
They thought you was
by choice or force? That's not how you handle business. Why is she not going anywhere?
Because she already came up here and gave her story, sir. All we're trying to do is get your story.
No. He wants them both gone. Y'all got to go. Understand? And hear me out.
My son playing and he can't drive.
Hear me out.
So you want her gone as well?
Yeah.
If they got altercations in my gate, I want them out. I'm not dealing with that. I am.
He was doing nothing but taking care of kids that were being called
right here that's going on right now, I don't want that here either. So I'm not taking no sides.
Listen to me. I need your driver's license. I need your driver's license. Are you listening to me? I need your driver's license.
No.
All right, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
The police arrived not to create difficulties, but to separate the parties, reduce collective tension, and ensure the matter could be clarified in a calmer setting. Yet, in front of an audience, many people stop communicating and start performing. Driven by pride, voices rise, gestures intensify, and accountability is replaced with a victim mentality. At that point, the real issue is no longer about who started the scuffle, but whether the adults can exercise restraint and set an example for the children.
I gave you every opportunity, bro.
For what? What am I going to get for?
For failure to provide a driver's license.
You don't have to
and for disorderly conduct.
No. I know disorderly conduct.
Hey, you're good. Yeah.
I know disorderly conduct. For what? I mean, you having a conversation like you said, step out.
Send it back. Now I need your name. If not, you're going to get no bond until you identify yourself to the jail. So you need to give me your name.
Okay, if I'm going to jail, I can give you your name. If I'm not going to jail, I give you my ID. If I'm not going to jail.
John Doe, thanks. What we got? He's going to jail, and then we're going to ask the other lady to leave, too.
He's back there as well.
Wallet in my pocket.
Your wallet's in your pocket?
Yes, sir.
I gotta take this from you anyway.
Disorderly conduct for what?
For the way you're yelling, everybody is turning their head.
Me and him was having a conversation.
Nope, you're saying you're not gonna talk to me like that. You're not gonna talk to me. You ignored me multiple times.
He's already taking me to jail, so it don't matter.
No, he's not taking you.
Yes, he is. It wasn't you, bro. It was him. You seen what he said.
Listen to me. I got you. I got you.
I believe
it
that.
doesn't matter if it was me or it doesn't matter if it was him.
Right.
All right. I've been trying to talk to you, man. If you had an issue with him, you could have talked to me. And I was trying to talk to you, and you ignored me. I asked you 3 times at least for your driver's license. You told me you're not going to give it to me. You understand that? Here, let me explain something to you, though, real quick.
Right.
When I'm investigating a disturbance, right? Somebody came up to me and said, "Hey, this is going on," right? I need to get your side of the story. I need to get her side of the story. So with that being said, I have a lawful reason to be here and I have a lawful reason to identify you. You refuse to identify yourself. That's called obstruction.
Right.
Understand? Okay. I get that you were upset about what happened. All right? But don't take it out on us, man. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Frustrating, but I understand.
My worry is this. My worry is if I allow you to stay here. No, I'm saying if I allow you to not go to jail, that you won't leave. And we're going to have to deal with this all over again.
I was going anyway. It's happening.
Before you leave, can I just have a word with you?
Yeah.
Hey, is there any way that we can make this thing, can we smooth this over?
How so?
Just so that he doesn't have to take a ride today.
Okay.
Is there anything that we can do?
Tell me what happened. Were you there?
I wasn't there. I'm the park vice president. I just want to make this, whatever we got. I know Paul. I play football with Paul.
Okay.
And I don't want to see him take any kind of ride. Is there anything that I can do?
Here's my concern, okay? And I'm gonna talk to everybody because everybody was somewhat involved.
We had a football game.
Hear me out. I know, and that's the worst part. That is the worst part. We don't need any of this in a football game.
Agreed.
It's dumb. It's stupid. I asked him just to walk out of the park.
He was as frustrated.
I know he was. If in fact whatever he's telling me is true, I would be frustrated too, and I understand it. Okay? He was upset with the other police officer, but I constantly asked him to speak to me, and I asked him for his identification multiple times. I have the right to identify him. He refused to do that. Understand? Hold on.
He's suspected of a crime.
Yes, I'm investigating a disturbance.
If he leaves, when you let him out, he leaves. We good, right?
So let's finish up here. And then
He
we'll
do a
talk
lot of things.
I got 11015 right here. He's detained for the moment being, so we can figure everything out. Can you hang out with him because agriculture is back there by himself dealing with the rest of the disturbance? I just want to make sure that he's good, figure out what we got, and then we'll go from there. All right? Okay. All right. Hey, ma'am. I gotta talk to you real quick. Okay. Let's come over here. So look. So I'm going to ask you straight up. Is there a possibility that the N-word could have been said?
No.
Absolutely not.
No, sir. Absolutely not.
Okay.
No, sir. We don't talk like that in my house.
Okay.
I promise you.
That's fine.
No, sir.
And I have to ask you, all right? Here's what we're looking at. Y'all are going to have to leave, all right?
Right.
Just as much as him.
Right.
Are we good if y'all both part ways and y'all go your separate ways that we call it good for the day? Are we good? Okay. All right.
So just meaning don't press charges on him is basically what you're saying?
No, I mean, you weren't hit. Nothing like that. It was a kid-on-kid issue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yes.
Where's it? It's in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get your name.
This is ridiculous. It really is. Melissa.
All right. After you talking to him, what are you getting?
So I'm gonna leave it up to you. My biggest issue more than anything is resistance.
Is what?
The resistance.
Yeah.
So if you want to pursue charges, I'll help you do a supplement or whatever I need to do. But if you want to cut them loose, I support you in that as well. I'm okay with letting him go.
I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. All right, here's what we're gonna do, ma'am. I get you're upset. I understand it. All right, I'm gonna let you go. All right, but you need to go. All right. And hear me out.
Is my kids gone yet? I don't even know what it is.
No, they're not. They're not. They're still here. Okay. So we just kept them away so they don't see you in handcuffs, bro. All right. Is that fair? I got kids too, man. I wouldn't want to see you.
I have 2 degrees, man. I don't be out here doing this stuff. The kids over there playing. I guess they're playing rough. She said something. I went, "Hey, where's your husband?" That's the first thing I said. I have no business arguing with a woman.
Okay.
She started yelling. She switched the story. I have no reason to lie.
Yeah, I got
You
you.
understand what I'm saying? She came and got y'all. That's cool. But it is what it is.
All right. All right. Just give me a second, okay? All right. Everything that happened, that's going to be everybody's one chance.
Okay.
Understand? Any more disturbances from any one of you guys, he's going to be the get out of jail free. But after that, dude, we can't be dealing with this.
Appreciate you.
Here, there's a bunch of kids.
Yes, sir.
We don't need that.
Actually, I was at the concession stand.
I know.
I got you.
And brother, this is not a threat whatsoever. I just don't want.
Yes, sir.
I don't want any issues. I want them to have fun. I want everybody here to have fun. I want to go home. I want y'all to go home. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
That's it. At the end of the day, that's all I want. All right.
Shake the ball, man.
All right, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Hey, go straight and meet up with your kids, and then go get out of here.
No, I appreciate
Your stuff, man. Your driver's license is in your wallet, okay? All right, man. Real quick, I just kind of wanted to get y'all's side of the story because y'all kind of were like there. Could you kind of tell me just what happened?
Okay, so it started when, like, I don't know what the kids were doing, but her son was over like a couple of tents away playing with those 3 boys over there. I guess they were being really rough with him, and he come back and his neck was bleeding. And they took his football away from him. So she went and got his football back and come back and told him he had to stay there, he couldn't play with him. Well, then they come over there like trying to, oh, he was doing this and he was doing.
What was it that they were saying that he was doing?
Like saying that he had started it and that's why they scratched his neck. So they walk off and then because our tent was right behind hers, and she comes over to talk to us. I've known her for a really long time, we're friends, and so she comes over to talk to us with her baby on her hip, and all of a sudden these boys come back with the dad, or I don't know if he's one of them's dad or what, and he was like, your son said this. He was like, your son said this. I want to know where your husband's at. I want to know where your husband's at. And she was like, she's not married. And she wasn't going to tell him she was single. She was like, my husband's not here right now. And he was like, he just starts like yelling. Like every time she tried to say something to him, it was just escalating. And she was like, look, my kid is not going to go over there and play with him anymore. Just leave him alone. Because he come over there looking for her son. Didn't even come looking for parents or anything like that. So here he is like screaming in her face. And I stood up. I was like, guys. And he turned around to me and he was like, shut the f*** up. And I'm like, dude. And I kind of got, she was standing here and she's got her baby on her hip. So
you didn't even say nothing to him?
Huh?
You didn't even say nothing to him? He just like turned around and said that to you?
Yeah. Well, I just said, guys.
Oh, guys.
Yeah. So I was trying to like, calm down, whatever. And he turns around and says that to me. And I go over and like I stand kind of a little bit in front of her because she's got a baby right there and I'm standing on the side of the baby. And like he starts screaming to me, then he starts screaming at him and he's sitting down, he hasn't said a word, hasn't stood up, he hasn't even moved. He was like, get up. And like, and he just like everything was just escalating.
Are you guys married?
Yeah.
Okay.
When he said something to her, like he started screaming, I told her, hey, come down.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, please come on, get up.
And he just wanted to fight somebody.
Yeah.
I guess my question is during the course of this whole thing, what was everybody's like reaction to this whole thing? Was other people like?
Oh yeah. There was all kinds of people that were around.
Were there a bunch of kids around?
Oh yeah.
At any point, did you feel like you were going to get hit?
I'm sure he might not have thought he was going to hit him, but I thought he was going to.
The reason I want to talk to you guys is because I knew that you guys were one of the people that were like directly there.
Yeah.
And I know, like, based on me, right, I can tell that he was disruptive to the whole football field, right?
Oh, yeah.
But I just wanted to see if, what you guys witnessed as you guys being bystanders, if he was disruptive, if it was a breach of peace, like, if, you know what I mean? Like,
it absolutely was.
I guess the whole gist of it was that they felt like her son called the little kid a racial slur.
Right.
Yeah, but it's like,
I don't even think he knows what
let's go.
That was my consensus of it, is that they were kind of playing, and then that happened, and then it just kind of got out of control. Whether the N-word was said or not, I don't know, but that doesn't give anybody the right to do exactly what he did.
Exactly.
So whenever you talk to her, just let her know that I am doing a warrant for his arrest, and he is going to be arrested for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest or obstruction. He'll get picked up at a later date, but he is going to answer for what he did out here. The only reason that I didn't take him to jail whenever he was out here is because, number one, he had a son that didn't have anybody to go with, and I'd rather not put a kid in DCF if he doesn't have to.
Absolutely.
And number two, because it's just me and him out here, and I don't want to leave him alone.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't blame you.
Let her know that he's gonna have a warrant for his arrest and he's gonna be put in jail. Okay. I appreciate it, guys.
Children's quarrels may be a normal part of growing up, but it is the adults' reactions that determine whether the conflict is resolved quickly or escalates into a broader problem. In any public dispute, real strength does not come from who shouts the loudest, but from who can remain calm at the critical moment.